What's up, guys? So remember this?
Remember me.
Dad, don't! So we're about to play Smile, Infectious Smile. Oh, why am I lagging?
Sabi ni
Look at this, like the pattern. Bang, bang. Charger. Bang, bang. You think this is free? Don't get caught. No. I. Come on, just give me. Okay, now where's my weapon? I'm lagging. Like, look at this. There. What the hell? What the hell? Come on. Come on. Come on, I'm scared. I was scared. Come on, open this king door. This is Train to Busan. Come on. Open this door. Come on. Come on, escape. No! You fooled me.
Sabi ni Sam mo, pagaling siya kay Patrick.
LOL.
Bilisan mo. Daming
Rar. Rar. Oh.
Bawo, dinaamoy nila, sabi niya. Yung itsura niya yan, buti pa ako, wala.
We are going to invade humans. What the hell did I just saw?
Bibig malapit sa ilaw, sabi niya, sabi nila, ay, mo.
That's cheating.
Pamatay man mo, ako, naamoy ko talaga, amoy tae.
LOL.
May nalulaglag dyan na isang patak o ano. Nagpabawo.
Chase them. Oh, bro caught him off guard. You thought you could escape? No. Never. Ever. Oh.
Hindi nga ako tumakan yung elementary kaya ka-high school. Sabi ko sa trabaho.
Come on. I'ma jump. I'ma jump. I'ma jump. Come on. Come on. Come on. There. There we go. Oh.
Tain-tain na daw siya.
No, please don't kill me. Oh. That hurt. Modifiers. How many money I have? Y'all are gonna regret it. Come on. Come on, let me in. Come on. Come on. Mika just not doing anything. Attack! Attack! No. 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 Oh, bro got knocked off. Double challenge. Do it for your own good, Mimika. What is this tycoon? What is this obby for? Escape the smiles? to beat suckers. Wait, what the hell? This is a boxing match? Bro, what the hell? Oh my god. Wait.
Lumabas na yung tsura mo, mukha ka nakipag-game.
Oh. Oh, bro knocked him off. That's a good night. That's his last weapon.
Last day niya ba?
No, his last weapon. Oh, now you're dead. Super dead. Super dead. Mm. Mm. This is taking long. Hey, yo! What the hell? Oh my god! What the hell is happening to Memika? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god! No way! You deserve it. No, come on. Defeat this. No! I had been called.
Baka kung bumangayra ako, mas straight lane. Nabasa ko ako. Diba na
Smiling. Come on, beat that boy. Beat that boy. Beat it, boy. Ouch! It was hard. Ouch! Sorry. Run to my section.
May grabe ka ha. Diba?
Come on. Just kill that little percentage. Hey. No. Ouch! Let's see what the hell? Come on, smile, win, smile, win! Come on, defeat that. Defeat him. Yep, we're losing this. Hey, yo! Okay. You got this. When will he lose it? When she will lose it? LOL, she left. Who wants to fight us? Who wants to? Hi. Yeah. Hi.
Ano yung issue?
LOL. We will beat you up if we enter. Ito na nga. Oo. And a legend was born. The key. Come on, the key. The key. Run away. Ah. Run away. Stop. Mark, as a good night. No, don't. Yeah, he's gonna die in there. Oh, ouch. Oh, bro died in the last second. Attack! Attack! Attack!
Nagkawa ng lahat. Sabi ko.
Defeat this King Giant! Defeat him! Oh, come on! Heads down!
Dito.
Come on!
Ay, gumagaling si Pato.
What the hell?
Oh, tigaling
I'm freezing.
Yan, mapabombayin kita.
Potion. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, come on, come on. Yes, I have the ice
Kung
potion.
gumagaling si Paolo. Ganyan ka, mapabombayin kita. Team leader. Ha?
Don't be dumb, guys.
Kabombahan.
Don't be dumb. I need a nap. How did ice?
Late na naman. Tapos walang
Steal and ice.
bukod yung ginaganyan niya yung pick.
When about time, it's you and more. It's
Hindi ko pinapakailan ng mga late mong peppermint. Di ba
Wag.
kasi kasama ni Jared, yung jowa niya? Eh di ang nangyari, tapos pintasan niya yung pilit mata niya.
no, don't.
Yan lang eh. Oo, sabi niya,
Ah.
tingnan niya parang hasang daw yung pilit. Tapos sabi niya, nakakay sila nun eh. Sabi niya, ano yun, parang hasang yung ano yun. Bukol. Sabi niya, tapos ano pa yun, nagpa-lace ka pa talaga. Sabi niya,
Unchill the way. Don't infect me.
alam mo kung ikaw, gutom kasi kumakain ako noon, morning ko na rin. Alam mo, kung ikaw, kung huwag ka na magsalita
Run away!
mong tigyawan, tsaka yung buhok mong
Ito,
kulot,
wait,
hindi mo
what?
pinipintasan
Don't infect me. I was just waiting for you to respond. Thanks. You gave him the key? Why?
Ikaw, buzzer ka ha, manahimik. Kulot yung buhok mo, tigyawan mo, hindi ko ano yan ha. Pikon yung tanga! Yung ano sa paluwagan. Nagpapalit siya kay
What the hell? Oh my god, wait. What the hell are you doing?
tao sa gitna.
Oh no.
Sabi niya kung kausapin. Kasi nagkakala sila.
Oh no!
Yung pension
Life is just being weird to smile.
ano bilhin mo po?
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell was that? What the hell? I was.
Fucking chocolate.
Huh?
Uy.
Fine. Okay, they're not. Give me the chocolate.
Eh, hindi ko makakain eh. Naglalanggan.
Fine. Protein is the best. Who wants white tea? I'm gonna keep this. Just protect me. Make it end. Okay. Who wants white key? I'ma give this to people who comment in this video. Comment, subscribe if you want this white key. My username is Super Pogi. Just search up Franz. Okay, so I'ma end this video. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.